we go. Today we are testing the Wolfbox G900 Pro touchscreen cam and rear cam. Alright, let's check out the box here, the Wolfbox G900 Pro. See what we got. And here we have the mirror camera. Wolfbox. Drive on always. See, this will clip on to your rear view camera on your actual car or truck. And we'll show that later on. Connectors, parts, different ways that you can install and or power the Wolfbox here. Clips to clip the back of the camera there to your rear view mirror. Yeah, I got some stickers. The user manual. And a quick dash cam quick guide to using it. And here are all the contents laid out. Alright, so it should, from my understanding, here's the camera right there. So we're going to just peel this off. So you have the camera right there. We're going to put that back on just for now. It should clip right over your existing rear view mirror. Just like this. And then we got these little clip guys. You're gonna want the camera right over here, right? So it doesn't get blocked by the old mirror. So you wanna attach it just like this. Use these clips and then you're all set there. Alright, we're now gonna connect the Wolfbox here. It's got a touch screen on it, but we're gonna connect it and see, power it up. So it connects just like this. Look at that. Front camera. Alright, so we've connected the Wolfbox dash cam. There we go. So we're going to hide this wire so it doesn't block our view or anything like that. We're going to hide it up in here and along the trim of the vehicle and then come back down to where it's powered in. Alright, so we're running the wire for the dash cam here up through the trim. Hiding the wire so you don't see it. Coming down back here, around, and then ultimately to where it'll get plugged in. The cable, we're going to have to plug this in. The nice part is you don't lose a charging spot because there is a port here for USB. Alright, so we got the dash cam touchscreen Wolfbox set up, and now we're going to do the rear cam, which we got right here. And there's two different brackets that it comes with. It comes with a bracket here if you want to mount it internally on the inside of your car, or this bracket right here if you're going to install it externally on the outside of your car. We're going to install ours on the inside of the truck. That way we can see the truck bed itself and beyond. The nice part is for like security reasons. I put a lot of expensive tools in the back of my truck, and it would be nice to have a security camera for that area. There's also an optional GPS that you can install as well. Got the rear camera here. We're going to go ahead and install this, but before we do, we're going to test it, make sure it works first. So we got our dash cam, touchscreen. Go ahead and find out rear. It says rear right there. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in first. Alright, let's see if this rear camera works. Got it plugged in, and look at that, it's working. So you can see out and around in the back. So same deal, rear view camera. We're going to run it up and along here alongside the trim so that you don't see it. Now it's time to install the rear camera. We're going to install this in the back of the car so that we can actually see our truck bed, because we put thousands of dollars worth of tools in our truck all the time in the truck bed, and so we want to keep that monitored and have that peace of mind from the Wolfbox camera. Alright, we're installing the rear camera now. Make sure that you take off the protection film, plastic piece here, so that you don't get a blurry view. Alright, now the fun part, we get to actually use the Wolfbox cam. Let's check it out. So now we can see behind us and in front of us, all right here. It's recording. Now we're no longer recording. Brightness, turn it all the way down or all the way up. Switch to just seeing the rear view, just seeing the front, or both. Take a picture. Lock it. Exit emergency mode, and then we can check our footage. If we get into an accident or anything like that, like this is recording so we can show proof. Speaker so you can talk. Show front camera. Show rear camera. We got our settings, display modes, record sound, loop recording, Wi-Fi. You can So now we connected to Wi-Fi through our Wolfbox dash cam touchscreen, and now we can connect it to our phone here. Check this out. You can record, you can take pictures, switch between your front and rear cameras.